They sold their company for nearly $1 billion. But for one founder, the story didn't end with a celebration. It ended with a question. What do you do with the rest of your life? It began in 2015. Vinay Hiremath, Shahed Khan, and Joe Thomas wanted to make work communication more human and more efficient. Their solution was Loom, a new kind of video messaging. It started as a simple Chrome extension, but the idea caught fire. The product expanded to desktop and mobile, and top-tier investors like Sequoia and Andreessen Horowitz took notice. By 2021, Loom had achieved unicorn status, with over 14 million users replacing meetings and emails with quick personal videos. It was a rocket ship. In 2023, Atlassian acquired Loom for $975 million. After the deal, co-founder Vinay Hiremath published a blog post. The title was a stunning admission. I am rich and have no idea what to do with my life.